In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Word. Creating a table of contents, or TOC for short, is a crucial skill, especially if you're dealing with lengthy documents. It allows your readers to easily navigate the contents of your document, ensuring a more organized and professional presentation. Let's begin by discussing the structure of your document. A well-structured document is the foundation, and to achieve this, headings are essential. So, our first task is to ensure our headings are correctly set up in Word. What you need to do first is to locate the Style section, which is usually found at the top of your Word document. You'll see a variety of formatting options there, like Normal, Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on. To access more styles, look for an arrow, a little diagonal square, usually at the bottom right of the Style panels. Click on it to reveal all available styles. Once you have clicked on the arrow, it's important to apply these styles to the different sections of your document. Typically, Heading 1 is used for major titles or sections, and Heading 2 for subsections under those, with Heading 3 being reserved for any further divisions. Click on a line of text in your document that you want to be recognized as a heading, and then select the appropriate heading style. By doing this, Word knows that this text should be included in the table of contents. Now that your document is ready and its structure established, you can move on to create the actual table of contents. For this, you'll need to switch to another tab in Word. Look towards the top of your screen and find the References tab. Click on it. This is the section where you'll find all the tools required to manage your document's citations, captions, and importantly, the table of contents. Within the References tab, you'll notice a button labeled Table of Contents. When you're ready to create your TOC, click on this button. You should see various options for different styles of tables of contents. Choose one that suits your document's needs. Upon selecting a style, Word will automatically generate a table of contents based on the headings you've assigned. Congratulations! You now have a table of contents that allows easy navigation through your document. If you ever make changes to your document later, be sure to update the table of contents. You can easily do this by clicking on the TOC and selecting the Update Table option. Remember, using a table of contents is not only practical, but also enhances the professionalism of your document. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.